robots, some algorithms, some tools, let's say, to automate some simple tasks which are being done in offices. Yeah. So we have two, let's say, legs of robotization: object and activity in a software UI path. And for example, we want for today. I will not repeat our last lesson because today we will use those activities we learned last week. So I will ask you for repeating, reminding by yourselves our classes, okay? Week by week we don't want to have a modern design here, so I have to reload. Yeah. So the input dialog is the activity which maybe I will make it a little bit bigger for you to make it more visible. We can work on each activity and use the properties of it only when we are clicked on this activity, not here. So we should have this activity blue, and this is the way of having those properties available. And which properties are necessary to insert in case of input dialog. We have something like dialog title, and we use quotations, shift plus, yeah, hello, with shift in our Polish keywords, shift plus, yeah, shift plus quotation. And value number 1, for example. And another thing is to input a sentence for the user. Please give me the number, number 1, yeah? The value of number 1. Please.
Quotation, there is not quotation. Shift
With
plus?
Shift plus up. This one.
Okay.
Please give value value 1. And I can check how it will be working here. Debug file and run.
Input type was the text box. Input type was the text box. We need to change it for the integer or something like that.
Now we start working on strings, and because this technology is like optical character recognition, OCR, that means it sees it as a string. Yeah. We should convert the string into an integer, for example, to have a number. But we, even though we take numbers, it's treated like a string. Okay. Please give value 1.
So where we can assign these numbers, because we are going to summoning both of those, so where we can assign them as like a variable.
We should.
Yeah. To where?
this is the next step because I'm
Okay.
going to show you how it works. So we have a displayed window, yeah, with value number 1. This is the title. The comment is please give me value 1, and this is the place here for the value we are expecting to receive from the user. Okay, so this is the first value. But every time we take something from the user, we have to, as you mentioned, you have to store it in a virtual storage place called variable. So this input dialog allows for assigning a variable in the properties window here on the output. So we assign a variable in this activity. Of course, we should, or we could assign a variable like we did it last time, using activity assign. And here we could use this variable, but it's the developers are quite lazy. They want to have something faster. Okay, so using the combination of the keys Ctrl plus key. Okay, here on the output, Ctrl and K. I'm assigning a new variable. Let's call it variable 1, for example. Yeah. Variable 1. Doesn't matter. So, in Polish, to calculate, Ctrl plus K, I shouldn't have removed it, Ctrl plus K, to calculate, the application is called calculator, starting with K. Here. So I will open it. So if I would like to add 2 values manually, I should press first of it, then plus, the second of it, and the sum, yeah? So those steps should be mimicked here in our row. So we have first value in a variable number 1, so the second value should be repeated with another input dialog. The same situation. And instead of 1, we will use variables. Oh, we don't have variables. We don't have. Why? It's empty here. We don't have it. Okay, so here. Doesn't work so fast as we want to.
You will change number 1 to star, and this number 1241. Right click, edit. Number 2, if it's number 1, check number 1, number 2, and confirm. Okay. Number 1, please give me a result number 1. Number 2, please give me number 2. Input dialog. But this 3, click, 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 click. 4 کلید. یک با رقم 1، یک با کم کرن، یک با رقم 2، یک با یکسان. پشتینگی دوی کلیکی نشی پروپرتی، نشی تارگت، دشيا selector
Maybe that's
selector دشيا
number 7.
name de gorri نوع de gorri ديكا استير بخرى وبلي رقم المسي دي gorri ديكا فور اجا كا رقم ايكا رقم دوا اوكي اما كي ممكن ان لبنادي تشلهدي وكي خوبيت
I just wanted to show you how to adjust the selector, yeah, because this is very important.
Okay, because we didn't success
already one and two, maybe you want to be another
method. That's why I
process create projects main dot خميلاتي the edit can input sorry don't need back here
wow, because
okay şimdi de dialog
Also adjust the
input dialog şimdi de rakam ek bu abi
Maybe you like a
Can you show me the selector of the 5
ده رقم نویسی اوجی کتا چت بید مثلا اوجی تکس بکسا اتوماتیکی var 1 و var 2
because sometimes not, the whole object, the whole activity. Just remove it.
orada işte metotlar işlem şu. Var 5'te, var 6 ortaya koyun yapan şey işlem. Sonra var 4'e koyun. Ben biraz ters var. 5
işlemi de var ya. Which
Var
operator
altı.
you want to do? Okay.
Demir mi? Tamam bir şey daha.
Beş bölü sıfır.
Ama böyle iki işte.
5 bölü 0.
Error verdi bir tane. Bir şey yapmadı. Ha onu demiyorum. Buraya tıkladım yani. Ben buraya tıkladım yani.
Bir de şey ne?
Peki onu nasıl seçiyorsun?
Kanka.
Orada nasıl seçiyorsun?
Oraya
O sırada